Assalamualaikum students. Now we are going to solve question number 3 B part of exercise 6B. As in question there is given that quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. So in similarity we know that corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. It means they increase or decrease with the same ratio. So angle A is equal to angle P, and on angle P we know that angle P is equal to 100 degree as it is given in the question. So angle A is equal to 100 degree. Now we have to find out angle X, and from question it is clear that D is equal to S, but we don't know the both values. S is also missing. So if this is 100 degree, A is equal to 100 degree as we have found out A. So 100 and X, if you look at the question carefully, you can see these arrows on the both sides, on lines AB and line CD, and on line RS and line PQ. These arrows tells us that these lines are parallel, and on parallel line, if we will consider these lines parallel lines, on these parallel lines AD is a transversal line, and on transversal line on line AB and CD, these are parallel lines, and on these parallel lines AD is a transversal, and on transversal, when a transversal cut two parallel lines, angles formed are called interior angles. So 100 and X are interior angles, and we know about interior angles that interior angles are supplementary. It means their sum is equal to 180 degree. So we can say 100 plus X is equal to 180 degree. And if we are going to find out the value of X, X is equal to 180 minus 100, and hence X is equal to 80 degree. Now we have found out the value of X, that is 80 degree, and now we have to find out the value of Y. And in Y, now we have to find out the value of Y, and these are the sides. So side AB is proportional to PQ, AB is proportional to PQ, and BC is proportional to QR, and we know the value of BC, no, RS, we know the value of RS and CD. So CD is proportional to RS. CD over RS is equal to AD over SP. P, AD and PS. AD over SP or AD over PS, both are same. So CD is equal to 12 over RS is equal to 9, and AD is equal to 14, and PS we have to find out, that is Y. Now by doing cross multiplication we will get 12Y is equal to 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9, and 3 12, and Y is equal to 126 over 12. And when we will simplify, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, it will be Y is equal to 21 over 2, and when we will solve it we will get Y is equal to 10.5 centimeter. That is the solution.